Easy 2 points para kay Estrella. Yambao, pass through, Palinsayo. Palinsayo, back to Yambao. Attacking at sa middle, lays it up. 2 points para kay Yambao. Bugayong, pass to Soriano, back to Bugayong. But there's a foul, Yambao committed first personal foul. First team foul. Soriano, pass to Bugayong. Back to Soriano, back to Bugayong. Bugayong, inangat. Wala, nakuha ni Palinsayo. Palinsayo, 2 points para kay Palinsayo. Soriano. Soriano is stolen by outside single. Here comes Soriano, pass to Estrella. Pull up K. No good. Rebound by Bugayong. Bugayong, dribbling the ball. Pass to Soriano. Soriano, pinigay sa ilalim kay Soriano. Soriano pass to Bugayong. Wala. Nakuha ni Bondo. Bondo pa rin nabentahan ng bola. Bondo. Dancing with the wrong song. Traveling violation. Estrella, pass to Bugayong. Bugayong, binigay kay Soriano. Soriano, binigay kay Bugayong. Bugayong, pound, shot, no good. Rebound by San Jose, fake. Rejected by Palinsayo. Soriano, pass to Estrella. Pass to Sakurara, 2 points. Soriano. Pass to Estrella. Pass to Bugayong. Same ball. Bugayong, guard by Yambao. Pump, fake, shot. 2 points para kay Bugayong. Score. 11-6, 5-point lead para sa defense. Time left, exactly 12 minutes. Here comes Yambao. Pull up J. Easy 2 points para kay Yambao. Bugayong, inbound the ball. Pass to Soriano. Pass to San Jose. San Jose. Fake. Looking for his teammates. Is stolen by Palinsayo. Palinsayo. Palinsayo pa rin. Nakuha ni Yambao. Luminaw. Is line violation. Bugayong. Guard by Yambao. Screen by San Jose. Pass to Estrella. Estrella, tinalik kay Bugayong. Binigay kay Soriano. Wala. Nakuha ni Palinsayo. Pass to Sakurara. Pam. Using the pass. No good. Rebound by Estrella. Foul. Sakurara committed first personal foul. Second team foul. Basket is good. Bondo. Pass to Palinsayo. Back to Bondo. Bondo looking for his teammates. He's stolen by Estrella. Here comes Bugayong. Pass to San Jose. Nilabas ang bola. Estrella. Umatake. Inangat. Wala. Nakuha ni San Jose. San Jose. San Jose. Umikot-ikot. Inangat. Wala. Rebound by Bondo. Pass to Sakurara. Easy 2 points. Here comes Bugayong. Pump and pump. Turnover. Mama Rumor. Bondo for 3, no good. Rebound by Bondo pa rin. Bondo, pinigay sa ilalim. Iusing yung last 2 points para kay Yambao. Time out! Defense. Bugayong, pass to Soriano. Soriano is stolen by Kalisay. Nakuha ni Dalisay for 3. na good. Nakuha ni Estrella. Binigay kay Bugayong. Bumaldag. Yun na nga. Rejected by Balinsayo. 2 points. Sorry, inbound the ball pass to San Jose. San Jose showing his talents, his speed, laser at the boot. Rebound by Decano. 2 points para kay Decano. He score. 12-16. Apat na ang kalamangan ng hindi ko wala. On the left substitution. Kubakov in. Soriano out. Pass to Tapiran. Wala, nakuha ni San Jose. San Jose pump, spin, lazy up, what a move. 2 points. Santos pala yun eh. Paing ba si San Jose Si Santos? Ayun pala na. Yung San Jose pala nasa labas ko. Dalisay, nag-trip. Good trip. Here comes Estrella. Estrella, screen by Kubaku. Estrella pa rin. Outside, the ball goes to Mamaru. Tapidan. Tinatapitan kasi. Here comes Bugayong, guard by Dalisay. Bugayong, sa dito play. Is stolen by Santos. Santos pa rin ang bitangan ng bola na. Kuha na ni Balinsayo. Oh, line. Violation. Basket is good. The 3-point play para kay Kubaku. Here comes Dalisay for 3 again. No good. Rebound by Kubaku. Pump. Fake. Lazy rap. Using the glass. 2 points para kay Kubaku. Balinsayo. Balinsayo. Tang-aking at the middle. 2 points para kay Balinsayo. Estrella inbound the ball. Pass to Bugayong. Bugayong looking for his teammates. For 3. Basket is good para kay Bugayong. Time left 8 minutes and 7 seconds. Dalisay, pass to Decano. Wala, nakuha ni Decano pa rin. Pass to Dalisay. Inangat, wala, nakuha ni Bugayong. 2 points para kay Bugayong. On the ball ref, timeout committee. On the ball ref, substitution. Pasok, pasok. Dalisay, pass to Diwata, wala, nakuha ni Balinsayo. Wala, nakuha ni 2 points. Time out. Mamaru. Pass to Estrella, 2 points. What a pass by Cicedon. Diwata inbound the ball, pass to Dalisay, pass to Decano. Decano, step back jumper. Basket is good para kay Decano. Nakuha na ni Dalisay. Back to wala, nakuha.
Nakakuha yung rebound.
Dead ball. Here comes Dalisay, pass to Decano. Decano, pull up J, 2 points para kay Decano. Is goal. 29-30, 1 point lead para sa defense. Here comes Cicedon. Pass to Kubaku. Kubaku, binangat. 2 points para kay Kubaku. Dalisay, pass to Tabinan, back to Dalisay. Pass to Decano, piso, wala. Nakuha ni Kubaku. Outside, the ball goes to defense. So the ball rep substitution. San Jose in, Santos out. Pasok na po, lahat na papasok. Sasedon, pass to Kubaku. Pass to Estrella. Sasedon, pass to San Jose. Back to Sasedon. Attack at the middle. Back to San Jose. Pull up J. No good. Rebound by Kubaku. Shot. 2 points para kay Kubaku. Here comes Balinsayo. Fake. Shot. No good. Rebound by Yambao. Line violation. Mamaru ball. Yambao. Pass to Balinsayo. 2 points. Lapit po kayo sa committee lahat po na sa sub. Ayan, right rep. Substitution. Ayan na siya. Alice inbound the ball. Pass to Sasedon. Sasedon pa rin ang bentangan ng bola. Sasedon pa rin. Is stolen by Balinsayo. Binigay kay Decano. Pull up J. The good rebound by Kubaku. Is stolen by Yambao. 2 points para kay Yambao. Change favor naman na. Sasedon. Pass to it's stolen by Balinsayo. Pass to Dalisay. Nakuha na ni Sasedon. Mamarugo. Here comes Dalisay. Inangat. Wala. Nakuha ng outside. Mamaru ball. Here comes Decano. Pass to Dalisay. Guarded by Alice. Pass to Balinsayo. Spin. Shot 2 points para kay Balinsayo. Para Veterans 2. Time left 3 minutes and 15 seconds. Score 37-34. 3-point lead para sa Mamaru. Here comes Sasedon. Cross to Maru. But there's a foul. Balinsayo. Yambao. Second personal foul. Warning to penalty. On the ball rep substitution. Sasedon. Binigay kay Alice. Back to Sasedon. Here comes Yambao. Pass to Decano. Step back jumper. No good. Rebound by Sakurara. But there's a foul. Kubaku committed first personal foul. Second team foul. Second team foul pa lang po. Dalisay. Mahaba ang buhay. Stolen by Kubaku. Nice din para kay Alice. Parang nagtotosino lang. Cardo. Nagmamadali. Inangat. Wala. Nakuha ni Kubaku. Pass to Sasedon. Attacking at the middle. Once a call rep. Foul. Pagpasok F. Dapat tayo mix race dyan, F. No good Seryoso si Kepa, parang ano, pushing LA ah. Binigay kay Yang Bao, winang 2 points para kay Yang Bao. Time left 1 minute and 57 seconds. This quarter day, 1 point lead para sa Mamaru. Sacedon using the glass, 2 points para kay Sacedon. Dalisay, pass to Yang Bao at the middle, foul! Panganiban! First personal foul. Alice pass to Sacedon. Inangat, foul! Plus sa basket, Sakurara committed. Second personal foul, penalty. And the good rebound by Decano. It's volley by Kakainan! Nagpagulong! Magaling mo eh! Palakad mo pag kanaip! Dalawang extra rice para sa pa-foul throw. Unang extra rice. Wala. Second try para sa Tosino. Tosino. Sinamlay pa rin. Nakakuha ni San Jose. Pass to sa Sedon. Pass to
Sayang.
pala. Yang Here comes Alice down the ball. On the ball rep, timeout committee. Padaanin lang po natin yung mga dadaan. Alice, pass to sa Sedon. Sa Sedon pa rin nabentangan ng bola. Sa Sedon, inangat. Wala. Nakuha ni Decano. 2 points para kay Decano. Last 1 minute is score. It's a deduct all 42. Sa Sedon, binigay kay F. Ayan na. Sabi ko sa'yo, F, mag-prospect na lang tayo eh. Second, personal foul. Basket is good.
45 ka agad.
Alice, pass to sa Sedon. Sa Sedon is no good. Rebound by Balinsayo, looking for his teammates. He's stolen by San Jose, inangat, 2 points para kay San Jose. First try para kay Diwata. No good. Second try. No good. Nakuha ni F. Nagpapagutom sa try. Wala. Nakuha ni San Jose. Pass to Alice. Wala pa rin. Here comes Decano. Wala. Ayan na. Wala. Nakuha ni Alice. Inangat. Dive. Last 6 seconds. Sa Sedon pa rin. Inangat. Inulod. Nakuha ni Sakurara. Wala. Estrella. Tying the middle. Lays it up. No good. Rebound by outbounds. Defense ball. Soriano, crossover move. Pass to Estrella. That goes to Lucel. What's the call ref? It's a traveling violation. Dalisay. Lift it up. But there's a foul. Bugano is second. Personal foul. 14 foul. 2 shots para kay Dalisay. First try. No good. Last throw para kay Dalisay. Basket is good. Sorry, yung inbound na ball. Pass to Bugayo. Bugayo, setting the play. Bugayo, step back for 2. No good. The rebound by Santos. Big shot. Foul. Tapidan committed. Second personal foul. First team foul. 2 shots para kay Santos. First try is no good. Last throw para kay Santos. Basket is good. Here comes Tapidan. Pass to Dalisay. Pass to balik. Yambao. Yambao back to Tapidan. Pass to Decano for 3. It's by Decano. Jersey number 25. Estrella. Points din para kay Estrella. Dalisay. Foul. Bugayong committed. Third personal foul. Warning. 2 penalty. Soriano. Pass to Estrella. Back to Soriano. Inangat. No good. Rebound by Decano. Shooting for 2. Pass is good para kay Decano. Bugayong attacking at the middle, but there's a foul. Tapidan committed. Third personal foul. Second team foul. 2 shots para kay Bugayong. No good. Last throw. Basket good para kay Bugayong. Substitution. Dalisay. Send ball. Tapidan, pass to Dalisay. Pass to Decano. Step back shot. No, good rebound by Estrella. Inangat. Easy 2 points para Estrella, jersey number 2. Dalisay for 3. No, good rebound by Santos. Wait. Shot. Foul. Who's fouled that? Jersey number 25. Decano. First personal foul. 13 foul. Substitution. 2 shots para kay Santos. Last throw para kay Santos. Basket is good. Decano. Step back shot. No good. Rebound by Sacedon. Lazy rod. 2 points para kay Sacedon. Decano. Pass to violation. Bugayong pass to Estrella. Estrella sending the play. Estrella umatake, inangat, pero may foul. Decano, second personal foul. Warning 2 penalty. First try, basket is good. Last throw para Estrella. 2-2 para Estrella. Untuk balik substitution, Yambao in. Top in and out. Official score. Valensayo, target by 2. Valensayo, another shot. Good rebound by Valensayo. Good boy. Bugayo. Bugayo, Valensayo by Yambao. Pass to Estrella. Estrella. Estrella, close over the room, ball bounce. Same ball. Hey, seconds on the shot clock. Bugayo, play through. No good, rebound by Sasedon. Stolen by Yambao. Lays it up. 2 points para Yambao. Sasedon. Sasedon, guarded by Valensayo. Pass to Estrella. 2 points para Estrella. Cano. Now coming. De Cano pass to Valensayo. 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 Tubikot, tumira. Basket is good para Valensayo. Bugayo yung ibang na ball. Pass to Estrella. Nagpamadali. Kumadagi ng at. 2 points para Estrella. Valensayo. Valensayo setting the play. Screen by Yambao. Offensive foul para Yambao. Learning. Pumburado. Yambao warning Pumburado. Estrella. Estrella. Setting the play. Lays it up. No good. The rebound by out of bounds. The ball goes through defense. Bugayo, pass to Sasedon. Pass to Bugayo. Bugayo. Pump. Offensive foul. Bugayo. Running to Rodrick. And out. Defense. De Cano, inangat. No, good rebound by Estrella. Pump. Take. Shot. Blocked by Aki. No, good rebound by De Cano. De Cano, inangat. 2 points para kay De Cano. Official score 63-62, 1 point lead para sa Mamaru. Sasedon. Sasedon pass to San Jose. Back to Sasedon. Lays it up. 2 points para kay Sasedon. Yambao. Back to De Cano. Pass for Valensayo. Setting the play. Offensive foul. Sasedon. Sasedon pass to 2 points. 2 points para kay Tubaco. Aki. Pass to De Cano. De Cano out of bounds. The ball goes through. Defense. Time out. 2 points.
Galing naman ni Sasedon.
Valensayo back to Talisay. Loki rebound by Sasedon. Pass to Bugayo. Pass to San Jose. San Jose. Umatake yung ikot tinira. Bakit? Para kay San Jose. Valensayo. Valensayo gana by Bugayo. Wait. Pass to De Cano. Good rebound by Sasedon. Sasedon. Pass to Estrella. Inisip the clock. 15 seconds on shot clock. Estrella for 3. Good rebound by Aki. Foul. Stolen by Bugayo. Inangat. Nagulong naman sa sato. Block by Aki. Out of bounds. The ball goes to defense. All the way of substitution. Yang Bawi. Aki out. Sacedon. Sacedon. Back to Estrella. Carried by Valensayo. Estrella, side to play. Bump. Shot. Good rebound by Estrella. Wala ni Kubakov. Kubakov. Pass to Sacedon. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Sacedon goes on the move. Move para kay Sacedon. Easy to point. Valensayo. Valensayo for 3. Good rebound by San Jose. San Jose. Pass to Kubakov. 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 Pass to Estrella. 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 What's going on? Dalisay. Dalisay guard by Sacedon. Dalisay again. Here comes Yambao. Yambao, he spin, lays it up, here's the last move. Rebound by Sacedon. Sacedon. Sacedon pa rin ang bentakan ng bola. Guard by Dalisay. Sacedon. Dalisay, pass to Decano for 3. Turnover, where the ball goes to defense. Time out! Mamaru. Ito pa rin ang bentakan ng bola. Guard by Valensayo. Sacedon pa rin. Sacedon, pass to Estrella. 10 seconds shoot. Estrella, inangat. 2 points para kay Estrella. Hold the ball, ref. Rebounds Dalisay. Rebound by outside. Salamat sa kick there. Next game po natin. Patrick versus Hayes Real. Paalala lang po, sino po mananalo sa dalawang oponent na nilalaban dito ay mag-a-advance sa ating finals. Estrella. Estrella. Takbo. You know, easy. Ala ko si Sarate. Sorry. Sabi pa na yung ano. 2 points para kay Mayan. Ay, Decano pala. Sorry. Estrella. Inangat. Wala. Nakuha. Outside. Last touch grip. Dark ball. Iyabaw. Kinaliwa pa. Kaliwa ito pa yun. Here comes Estrella. Estrella. Binigay kay Sacedon. Guarded by Iyabaw. Sacedon. Wow! 2 points para kay Sacedon. Ang katimo.
Grabe.
biglang gumagamit ng 100 km per hour. Nakuha ni Balin sa'yo, wala. Rebound by Sasedon. Pass to outside. Sasedon. Sasedon. Sasedon pa rin. Binigay kay San Jose. Inangat. 2 points. Dalisay. Pass to Decano. Back to Dalisay for the win. 1, 2, 3 points. Sasedon. Sasedon pa rin nabentangan ng bola. Binigay kay Estrella. Estrella. Kuya Norwin. Kuya Norwin. Inangat. Wala. Nakuha ni Decano. Pass to Dalisay. Nakuha ni Kuya Norwin. Binigay kay Sasedon. Sasedon, ginagamit yung oras. Sasedon. Binigay kay Kubaku. Basket is good para kay Yambao. Both teams na rin, both teams. Kuya Norwin, inangat, wala. Nakakuha ni Sasedon. Pass to Kubaku. Passing with the wrong song. Traveling violation.
Tumukdok ka pa kasi.
Sasedon. Sasedon. But there's offensive foul at tinawag kay Sasedon committed. Second personal foul. Wala penalty yan. Two points para kay Kubaku. Two points para kay Balinsayo. Estrella. Estrella binigay kay Sasedon. Balinsayo, inangat, 2 points. Sasedon. Foul. Dalisay. Penalty, both teams rep. Second personal foul. Next game, Hayes Israel versus Bad Chick. try para kay Sasedon. Basket is good. Second try. No good. Nakuha ni Balin sa'yo. Wala. Nakuha ni Yambao. Wala pa rin. Estrella. Pass ko sa Sedo. Foul. Dalisay. Third. Personal foul penalty. Basket is good. Dalisay, third personal foul, a warning, penalty. Basket is good. Congratulations, defense! Advancing tayo sa ating championship. Pakiabang na lang ang schedule at kung sino ang mga kalaban ninyo. Game season.
Ilang manager niyan? Ko lang. Estudyante sa inyo.